Alrighty, YouTubers, I am back again. It is Wednesday. We got another Amazon unboxing. Big old box. Not sure what's inside, but I gotta find my scissors. Here we go. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And we made it. There we go. Bam. What do we have today? And of course, you guys can get one at a low cost. Click on the links down below. And we'll see what is this. Oh, missed one. Here we go. Alrighty. Got me. What do we have here? Scissors down. Whoa. Coredy. Alrighty. I got one of the robot vacuums. Oh boy. Bam. And there we go. There we go. That's out of the way. There we go. I'll take a look inside and I'll set it up and I'll take it downstairs. Or I'll probably do it in this room. Not sure yet. Coredy Model R500. Get one at low cost on Amazon Prime. Take advantage of the Prime shipping. Get this in a few days. Here we go. I think I got it the right side up. Oh no, of course, wrong way. Oh man. There we go. Trying to knock you guys over. Uh-oh. Tight squeeze. Bam. There we go. Now we got it. Here is a Coredy Smart Vacuum. We got tons of accessories. We do got batteries, so that's a good thing. But it might come with them. Not sure. Let's see what we have here. Nope, XSHUAI. I got those. Maybe it's inside the box. Hold on. We got for washing the floors. Right here. Oh, that's nice. 300 milliliter. Here we go. There's a pad. Really cool. Here's another roller. Alright. Oh, look at that. Boom. Comes with batteries itself. Good deal. And now, starter guide. Notes before cleaning. All that good stuff I can put to the side. Kind of know how to set these up, so it's a good thing. Oh, they got an extra floor sponge, kind of. Here's a charging dock. It's always important to keep this at the wall so I can read it. Nice. Alright, we got more accessories. Actually, the charge. Boom. Standard plug. There you go. Everything's falling. Get that over here. Now, here it is. Here she is. Oh, I got the brushes. And they sent me an email about the brushes, saying that I guess they had problems with them. Like breaking off, I guess. First use. But they do issue replacements. They said it takes about a week to get them. There's a clean brush. So that ain't bad at all. So at least they are aware of it. And they've done something about it. So, like I said, I just got the email today, this morning. Really good people. Check them out. I think that's... Oh. Filter. Can't forget the filter. Okay, I can remove the box now. Hey. Bam. That is gone. So this might need a full charge. I'm not sure. But we'll find out. It might be already charged up a little bit. Here's what it looks like on the back. That's where the brushes go. Cleaning guard. Oh, that's an extra roller. Alright, cool. There's a plug. All the good stuff. This is the back side of it. And now I'm going to flip it. Oops. Like so. Really nice. Nice design. Nice color. Sleek back. Nice and shiny. Kind of looks like RoboCop. The robots are here though. That's where it goes. Oh, they gave you 2 of these. Alright. So this is probably for the vacuum. Another one's for the water. To wash your floor. So come on. Should be easy to put in. There we go. Gotta click. Oh man. I think it is dead. I'm going to charge it up. So this might be a 2-parter. Yeah, this is going to be a 2-parter. But that's what it looks like. Right after this video is going to be the full demo. Alright, see ya. Alrighty, YouTubers, I am back here with the Coredy Smart Vacuum Robot. It is charging on the deck. Look for the remote. Oh, here it is. Here she is. Nice and fully charged, I believe. There we go. Too bright. Sorry about that. Nice color. Nice design. Got plugs in there. And then got it to my time. It's 5:02 right now. Oh man. Here we go. 5:02. We'll hit auto. Not sure what I'm doing. Shoot. Come on, clean. What the heck? Beeping. Maybe I gotta turn it on. Whoops. There we go. There we go. There it goes. All right. He is gonna clean. Let's follow it around for a minute. A little curve up. Oh, nice and easy. Alright, can handle that rug. Here we go. That's really cool. She's working it. Hey, come back here. She must be camera shy. It's going pretty fast. I have it set on the max clean. 6:03. I think I gotta reset the time again. It's moving fast though. This sucker is really nice. And I think you can control it with the yep, sweet. Oh, this is quiet. I like this. Let's see if we can get those. Look at that. Wow. Really impressed. Underneath my mini TV stand. where I keep my cable box. Look at that. I ain't gonna fit underneath there, no way. This is really cool. Like I said, you guys can get one at a low cost. Just click on the link down below. Check them out. The future is here now. We're gonna have robots everywhere. It's like the iRobot movie with Will Smith. Man, this is a nice one. Really impressed. I like the color, I like the green light. And look how fast it's going. There it is, YouTubers. The Coredy Smart Vac. Check them out. Be safe. Have a good night. And see ya.